Notepad, it's been around forever. But Windows has gotten smarter, and with it, Notepad has increased in its usability. For instance, the F5 key automatically puts time and date wherever the cursor happens to be at the time you hit the F5 key. Also, if you're not a typist using the combination of the Windows key and the H key, well, it will start voice typing. And yes, you can do that within Notepad. So let me hit the Windows key and the H key. It's now listening to everything that I say, and it's typing it for me. So yes, you can use voice typing within Notepad. That's a game changer, especially if your typing skills are like mine and you don't use all 10 fingers, you use a couple of fingers and you hunt and peck. I might be pretty good at doing it, but not as good as using my voice to do the typing for me. So give those two tips a try. Use the F5 key to put in a time stamp so you always have a reference as to when you created that note, and then use the Windows and H key to launch voice typing and let your voice do the typing for you. It's that simple. I hope that helps make Notepad even more helpful than it already is. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Bye bye.